everyone. Yeah, right now we are going to discuss about the HTML injection vulnerability, the high severity. We'll log into the application, click on login and set your vulnerability to the HTML injection reflected get. Click on hack and we are going to change the severity to high and click on set now. Before going to the set severity, we'll try to analyze the request, how it is reaching to the server. Yes, turn on the interceptor. Just enter any random data. Click on go. Yes, we can see here the first name, last name and submit. We can see our severity security level also. I guess it is 0. Sorry, we'll change it to the high again. Select high, click on set, turn on the interceptor, enter the data, click on submit. See here, right now the security level is 2. That means the security level high ID is 2 here. And we submitted the data as a random data. It's a plain text here. Just forward the request and see. Yes, as usually the text got displayed here. And right now we'll try to inject the HTML code here. Close the HTML tag here. As like the same in last time also same fill it again. We intercepted the request. Click on go. See, this is the URL encoding. That's all. The security level is 2. Click on forward. Yes, the same HTML code got reflected here. That means the server exactly displayed the code what we entered here. So we'll try to bypass this technique using the URL encode and we'll try whether it works or not. Yes. Yes, we'll provide our code and we'll try to inject this particular HTML code which is encoded. Intercept the request, click on go. Here we can see it is URL encoded. Already we done it as encoding and forward. See here exactly the data is displaying what we entered there. Because of the security level here it is set to high. In a low level we directly able to inject the HTML code. In medium level, for the medium severity we are able to inject the code, but we have to use the some encoding techniques. But coming to the high level we are unable to inject even the normal code or the encoded code also. Why? So we'll and try to analyze the code now what exactly happened. So here we can see here case 0 is the low level, low severity, case 1 is the medium severity and case 2 is the high severity. Here we can see we are checking the vulnerability called the HTML get.php, right? So in the case 0 and case 1 we are able to exploit, but coming to the case 2 we are unable to exploit because of here the function called the XSS check 3 is there. So we'll try to check what exactly that function is there. So see here, coming to the function XSS check 3, here it is using the encoding UTF-8. That means the data whatever we are entering it is encoding. So and here we can see it is using the HTML special characters. What exactly this HTML special characters will do? It will convert the all characters into the HTML entities. Okay, that means whatever it may be the data we entered it is going to convert there. And next if we enter the ampersand it is going to convert into the amp, and if we enter single quote or the double quotes it is going to ampersand quote. So these encoding techniques are used for to this particular severity. That's the reason we are unable to bypass this technique. The one and only what we can do here, we can in the browser itself we can use the UTF-7 encoding and we can able to bypass. But nowadays Even our browsers are not supporting the UTF-7, so we have to see the outdated versions like IE, the outdated versions there. So that's the reason we can't able to exploit this particular vulnerability here in the current situation. If you are having a chance to get the UTF-7 encoding in the browser embedded, definitely we can able to do that. That's all. Thank you.